Hello, my dear subscribers. Welcome back to Meme Indicators. I am Vinay, your meme buddy, and today's video is all about Dart Programming Language Basics Part 3. This video is continuation of the previous video. In this video, we will discuss about list, set, map, data types in Dart. So hit the subscribe button, grab some snack, and get comfortable. So, are you ready? Let's move it up. Till now, the most common collection in nearly every programming language is the array, or ordered group of objects. So here these arrays are inbuiltly called as list in Dart because arrays are list objects. So most people just call them lists. So list can maintain the series of collection of data elements in it like this var list of 1 2 3 and the var list of strings here car boat and plane, and we can print the length of the list by using the length attribute. So let's talk about operations in list in Dotpad. You can use var by implicit type declaration, or you can use list. So list is already used, so make it list 1. So what is the length of list? It's 3, and length of list 1 also 3. So if you add a int value to it, what will happen? It won't throw any error, because if you add a string value in it, it will also won't throw any error, because here var is implicitly taking the list. List is a group of elements, that's it. But if you declare it as a list of strings like this, it will definitely throw an error. What is the error? Compiling to JavaScript, the value of type int can't be assigned to a variable of type string. So it is a list of strings. That's why it is acting like that. Let's change this to object. List of objects means object is a superclass of all the other data types. So it won't throw any error again. And if you use dynamic is also similar to object, so it will not also throw any error. But if you declare any data type explicitly, like list of string, list of int, it won't accept that other type of elements in that list. So it is the property of list, and we can add the element by this method list dot add. List dot add, we are adding to this list. So let's add a string value in it. So if you print the list length, it would be 5. Let's check that. So if you want to add this first list to list 1, it can be possible by list 1 dot add all. Inside that, just write list. So we are appending the list to list 1. So let's print list 1. So we are getting that. So if you want to remove the element from the any particular list, one remove. So I want to remove 1. So like this, the 1 is removed. Like this, many functionalities are there in list. So just search for uh, dot list. So you will get many functionalities. These are more used. So we are done with list. Let's talk about set in dot language. A set in dot is an unordered collection of unique elements. Dot support for sets is provided by the set literals and the set type. I'll forget one thing. We can access the element by slicing here in list. So here indexing starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to print, if you write like this, list 1 of 3, it will print 2 because the index starts from 0 and the 0, 1, 2, 3. And the third position is 2. So it will print 2. So you can access the elements in the list like this. Yeah. But in sets, set is very similar to lists, but here while we are declaring list, we use square brackets. In sets, we use flower brackets. And this is the declaration of, this is the initialization of set. Let's copy it. So if you go to that, it is a set of strings. So it is an implicit type declaration. As you know, I want to print halogens. Syntax error. But you cannot declare a single variable by indexing like this. Or if you do it like this, it won't work. This is the difference between a set and a list. And you can give duplicate values to list like this, but you can't make duplicate values in set. So let's print this list again. So there is a duplicate value in list, but you can't make duplicate values in set. If you make it, it will throw you error. What it tells, compilation failed, expected identifier, but got this. Okay, we make a full stop instead of comma. So it won't show the duplicate element again, but in list it is showing. So that is the one of the main reason, one of the main difference between set and list. And we can add an element to a list by using this add function, like I saw in like I just said in list, and we can know, we can able to what length of a set, and we can add one set to another set. I don't want to repeat it. I just said that before the list. And the map. We're done with set, and let's talk about map. In general, a map is an object that associates keys and values. You see this image. When you are using TV remote, you press the key or keys of the remote, and the values, that means the channels of the TV, it changes. So you are operating the values with the keys, same as map. Both keys and values can be any type of object. Each key occurs only once, but you can use the same value multiple times. Okay. Dot supports from for maps is provided by the map literals and the map type. So let's make this example, we can't make duplication of keys, but but we can make a duplication of values. So if you just if you print the map, what is that? Gifts. Then okay, let's remove this. In this is a key, and this is the value. The values are assigned to the keys. If you want the C, you can access by the keys. So first, okay, quotations. It's a string. So what is the output now? C. So you can access the values by keys, just like you are operating the remote. You are operating the TV channels with the remote keys. So you can access like that, and you can add the new element like this. Let's print gifts. So that's the way of adding new element. But you can't make the duplication of the key first. No. So if you if you initialize the value again with the same key, it will update, but it won't duplicate. So this is the way. See, the C is updated to dot. So that's the concept behind the map. So we're done with map. So if you think this video is informative to you, if you enjoy this class, please subscribe to Meme Educators. Sorry, subscribe to Meme Educators.